Launches, launches, so many more launches. A lot has happened while you were out, and a lot more is going to happen in India. So let's break it down with Roshina Zehra. That's me, in case people forgot.
Okay, let's go.
Even though many people call it LE TV, it was actually La TV, which is now called La Echo. The company recently came out with two new phones in India, that is La Max and La 1S. Now La Max packs a 6.3-inch 2K display. It comes in two storage variants, that is one is 64GB and the other is 128GB one. And the pricing for this phone starts about close to 33,000 rupees. La 1S is a more interesting phone because of the specs it packs and the price tag it comes with. It's the cheapest device with a fingerprint scanner and an all-metal body. It also has a 13MP main camera, a 5MP front camera, and a price tag of 10,999. Now La Echo seems to be making some really big promises with these new devices. Let's see if it actually manages to fulfill them. Samsung Gear S2, which was first unveiled at IFA Berlin last year, arrived in India in January. The watch runs on Samsung's own original Tizen OS. It has 3G support and NFC. The highlight of the device, according to Samsung, is that it can last up to 2-3 days with just a single charge. The watch also has a rotating bezel, which makes navigation through apps incredibly easy. The starting price of the watch is 24,000 rupees. Along with the Gear S2, Samsung also launched the Gear VR headset in collaboration with Oculus. So the headset supports all next generation Samsung Galaxy devices and it's priced at 8,200 rupees. Even though nobody really seems to care, but BlackBerry Priv has finally arrived in India. It is a device with a 5.4-inch display, 32GB of internal storage and 3GB RAM. It's the company's first Android device and is pretty much a make-or-break project for BlackBerry. BlackBerry loyalists seemed really enthusiastic about it until the price tag was revealed, which is 62,999 rupees. What just happened? Say hello to feature phones. You thought they were dead, didn't you? So clearly Microsoft doesn't care. It has come out with the Nokia 230 dual SIM phone, which is a tiny 2.8-inch display. It has 2MP front and main cameras with LED flash and it's priced close to 4,000 rupees. Personally, I feel it's a really cute phone. If it were a person, I would pull its cheeks. Go check it out now. Motorola cannot stop talking about Moto X Force and there's no reason why we shouldn't talk about it either. Motorola has been going crazy the past couple of days, coming out with teasers, taking a dig at all the other companies like HTC, Apple and Samsung. Specs front, the phone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 octa-core processor, 5MP front camera and is expected to be priced around 40,000 bucks. Let's see if the phone is actually as unbreakable as Motorola is making it sound to be. If it is, I truly want one of these. If you haven't already, you should go check out iGyan's biggest production ever. The teaser is already up and the final video comes out by Monday. That's it for the day, guys. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, connect with us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Vine, Google+. And until next time, in technology we trust. Peace. The headset supports
नागपुर में आप देख सकते हैं अब ये बेडशीट का सेट